Hello out there, my fellow mathletes. Welcome back to question number 6 on the 2003 Fermat paper. Hopefully you've had a chance to try this one. If not, by all means download a copy of the contest by clicking one of the links in the description. Question 6. There are 2 girls and 6 boys playing a game. How many additional girls must join the game so that 5/8 of the players are girls? Okay. So, we're going to add some number of girls, and we want to know how many of these girls to add. So it makes perfect sense to maybe introduce a variable. Let G be the number of additional girls we have. Okay. So if we had that number, let's call it G. What could we do? Well, we know that 5/8 of the players must be girls. How many girls are there once we've added these G girls? Well, we started with 2. So that's 2 plus G. Okay. So that's the number of girls. Out of the total number of players, well, there's 2 girls plus 6 boys plus the G, however many that was. That'll give us the total number of players. Number of girls over number of players, that should be 5/8. And that should give us an equation that we can use to solve for G. So, start off by naming the variable that we're interested in. Let G be the number of added girls. Okay. So, after they are added, there are 2 plus G girls playing, because we had 2 girls to start with, and 2 girls plus 6 boys plus the added G girls, that's 8 plus G players. So 5/8 of the players are girls. Well, that means that number of girls over number of players must be 5/8. But we have expressions for these, 2 plus G and 8 plus G. So 2 plus G over 8 plus G, that should be 5/8. And just looking for, what happened there? Just looking for numbers that could be on the bottom. The bottom sort of got to be a multiple of 8, I think. So 0 girls won't do. We'll have 2 out of 8. If we added 8 more girls, we'd have a multiple of 8 on the bottom. We'd have 16, and then 2 plus 8, that'd be 10. 10/16, that is 5/8. So, if you can see it like that, if you want to take the time to maybe guess as to what the bottom could be, you could probably work out G is going to be 8 and search for that amongst our answers. If not, or if you wanted to be very exact so you know the right number of girls, maybe you think a fractional number of girls should be added. Although you should probably be able to see, based on the fact that we're adding a number of girls, you're probably going to want a whole answer, a whole number answer. You shouldn't get something like 4 1/7 girls needed to be added. That doesn't make a whole lot of sense. Okay? Either way, if you want to be exact, we can just take this equation and rearrange it and get an equation to solve for in terms of G. So 5/8 is 2 plus G over 8 plus G. We can multiply. We get 5 times 8 plus G is 8 times 2 plus G. So on this side we get 40 plus 5G is 16 plus 8G. So we can rearrange, bring the 16 over onto the left side and the 5G over onto the right side by subtracting. 40 minus 16, that's going to be 24. And 8G minus 5G, that's going to be 3G. Doesn't take too long to realize G is going to be 8. We have a whole number of girls being added, so that certainly at least makes sense. Is 8 one of our answers? There it is, it's D. So we're going to go with D. We'll bubble that in, and we'll get ready for our next question, which we're going to handle in the next video. So thanks for watching.